Let's do some car porn. I think you need far too much pressure and too much force to actually close the lid. But there's a solution. So responsible is this spring. So we are just going to replace the original spring with the C-83 from Bunnings. See how this goes. Well, that is so much easier now, but well, the front doesn't open anymore automatically. I should have read all the comments on Facebook. So apparently the C-83 only works with different struts here. So if you replace the struts as well, the frunk will open itself. We have done this on Hunter's car. I didn't like the force of it, so they recommend a C-135. This apparently has less closing force then. So next time I will get a C-135. The C-83 works only with different struts, which I don't have. And I don't like. Well, failed experiment, huh? I have to put the original spring back in now.